Good evening, everyone. I'm Niyati, and I'm a junior counselor at Intelligent Partners. We have been in this region for over 15 plus years, and we are helping students on their bachelor's, master's applications, and guiding them to achieve their dreams. Are you also interested in studying a master's program but don't quite know or meet the entry requirements from what you've studied at an undergraduate level? Perhaps you have slightly changed your course of study or your English language doesn't meet the requirements for the more advanced level of your study. Then doing a pre-masters is the right way of uplifting your career path. So you must be wondering, what is a pre-masters? To answer your question, pre-masters programs provide international students with a direct path to various postgraduate degrees at a university. These programs give you the academic tools needed for a full degree, such as academic writing, attentive listening skills, basic knowledge of academic technologies, and the confidence to succeed in your master's degree. Pre-master courses combine many elements such as academic subjects, study skills, and English language training, all of which are designed to meet an international student's needs. Pre-master programs are usually for a 12-month duration. Now, why should one study a pre-master's program? Studying at master's level is a major undertaking, even if you've already studied at an undergraduate level. Plus, if you've chosen, a direction slightly in terms of a subject matter, this change can take some getting used to when you begin. Through a pre-master's program, you develop a solid knowledge of the subject that you will be needing to, complete your entire course at a university. When you do a pre-masters, you will have already learned how to write essays and compose bibliographies. So this enables you to spend more time on research that is related to your syllabus rather than your technical abilities. Moreover, you can also get used to life in a foreign country. While studying a pre-masters program, cultural shock, integration, and homesickness are sometimes distracting to your studies. But if you have previous experience of these issues, then the transition is not so hard. So, studying a pre-masters is not a very bad idea when it comes to moving to a new country, just in case you want to get used to and familiar with many things, in the different country you're going to, or if you need the requirements, or if you want to meet the direct entry requirements of a university, you can always choose to do a pre-masters course. You can take these courses at various countries. So you can take it across USA, UK, Canada, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, and Malaysia. And we do guide you and we can help you with admissions to all of these countries. We can also help you with your visas and your accommodation assistance for the various countries that I just mentioned. So if you feel that, maybe if you've had a gap in your studies after your undergraduate degree, or if you think that you might want to change your subject and do a slightly different subject than what you did in an undergraduate level, then you must opt for a pre-masters program, and this will definitely help you in achieving your goals. So I will be leaving my details over here, and you can always get in touch with me. But if you have any questions regarding the pre-masters programs and how you can apply to them, I'm available right now. You can ask me at this live session, or again, I'll be leaving my details, and then you can get in touch with me. Let me just check if I have any questions here. Usually, the major questions that arise when a student is asking about pre-masters is what is the duration, and if they would be getting entry into the university right after they've completed this program. Yeah, the duration sometimes is like majorly of 1 year, but it again depends from university and the subject you're planning to study. So it can range from maybe 6 months to 1 year. And also getting admissions directly after you've completed your pre-masters totally depends on the GPA you have scored. So definitely you need to attain certain GPA and entry requirements after you've completed your pre-masters as well to get a direct entry into the university. And also we do help you and guide you on to which universities or whichever course you're planning to study, what would be the best university to apply, and how you can go ahead with all the documentations for your financial documentations for your visa or any other things that are required for your applications. So I don't see any questions at the moment over here. So what I've done is I've left my details over here. You can get in touch. In fact, we'll be having more live sessions currently for the master's programs in the various countries. So if you're eligible for direct entry, definitely do attend the live session and get to know more. So I see that I have one question from Annie. Can you help us with scholarships for the course, and what is the duration of the course? So this is a good question, Annie, and yes, there are universities that do provide some kind of scholarships to students for these courses, and we can definitely guide you depending on which country you're looking into. And also, as I mentioned earlier, the duration of the course will also depend on the country you're studying in and which course you want to or which subject you're choosing, but the ideal duration is 1 year. So you do 1 year of pre-masters, and then if it is UK, you would be doing one more year of your masters, and if it's Canada, then maybe 2 years. So again, it depends on which country you're planning to study, and then accordingly we will guide you and we'll let you know more on the duration and the visa assistance. Okay, then see you all, and do attend the other live sessions that are going to happen right now. That will give you a more detailed information on applying for universities and for master programs in probably US, UK, Canada, etc. So see you. Bye bye.